Hakanu kanu jela jongkari. Habadan kaliang persa kabawa nia wodong ya kaliang sensar hagayin rebar tauan lesi kaya rapru banwan ra ek sensar kadar kabaya BRNT. Hagani jela Meghalaya ru namar bakadi ke seng kongres kabadan hagaliang persa kajingkan tho ya kaliang sensar kala beteng na kapor sakapor. Kai ke baka seng kongres kadan pen tho akani ke kenti tungini kmi sipor akani ke kubor. Hagajing kendu bikinong patai kubor hagasi balang juga tayo unang yalam kaliang persya hagayin rebar tauan ke jela udok temukul sangma ulapen kesan baka kongres kan pet perman ya ke jingjersi bamsap kebala pausai hagani ke jela Meghalaya kebala sensar da ke sorkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance kebala yalam da ke seng National People's Party hapo ke jinglam khamat jong ukondrat ke sangma kum menteri rangba jong ke jela Halo kejing salan bian ya udah uyong ha kejela. Habai keren bikinong patai kubor ha kasi balang jong ketayo udok temukul sangma ulok kentok jur da kebaong baka sorkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance kam day ban buri ya kejing sisa halo kejing kenok bamsap na kejing salan bian ya udah uyong kum bakala pau lembah kilat patai kubor bat kibri ki badan keti ha kani kekam kidan kam ban ngat ha kejing pensitam kat kum kaan.
Now look at how the government of the day has been trying to somehow delay the whole process of investigation even after what has been attended to by the mandate of the law by the Lok Ayukta. And today, what is happening is that there's a complete attempt of the government to scuttle this process of law. And we will not allow it. We will not allow it. We will pressurize the government to ultimately allow the anti-graft law to prevail and ensure that state of Meghalaya is not defamed or subjected to that kind of, narrative which revolves around corruption and irregularities. Now, what is Meghalaya being referred to as? Any narrative, any media reports which are available before the citizens, for the people of the state and the people of the rest of the country. Meghalaya's narrative, is it something we are proud of? And we will proceed further to ensure that government does not deviate from its responsibility under any circumstances, and all those who are involved in various irregularities and corrupt practices are brought under the purview of the law and let the law take its own course.